Hey everyone, it is Sandy from Two Fat Birds Creative. Fortunately, I lost my footage here of the beginning section. I am showing you this Rolio deep black pigment paste. What we're doing here is we're doing a turtle. I've decided to do Turtle Tuesday, and I have used the TinyTurner's pigments already on the turtle. I painted them on. I'm putting some of that Diamond Frost into the black pigment. I use J. Diction resin for this, just a one-to-one resin setup with a little bit of that black pigment paste, the sparkly stuff in there that I'm getting off camera as I'm stirring, but now we'll just pour it in here into the turtle. These TinyTurner pigments are fantastic, and I used several of them. I believe I used Nature, Ether, and Poison, and put those in there, painted them on, and then couple weeks later I came back in to fill it up with the resin because our window was sealed shut, and it took a while for us to finally get it popped and unsealed so I could open it and then be able to put my window fan in there to pull out the air with the VOCs from the epoxy in there, just to help clear the air, get it out of here. I am wearing my PPE as well, which everyone should be doing, especially when working with epoxy. Make sure you're protecting yourselves, wear your gloves, wear your respirators, so you don't want to breathe all of that in. And I'm just gonna go through here, move things around. I did have to make a little bit more of that black resin to finish filling it off, and you can see I'm trying to get in there, get in that little tail. Spoiler alert, didn't work. Did get a bubble back there. Stay tuned to catch that out, but I did fix that in the end with some UV resin. Just put that on there, fix that little bubble right up. And so I will let you continue to watch along the way. Thank you all for watching this video today. Hope you enjoy these glamour shots of Mr. Turtle. And come back again and check out my next makes. Please do like, share, and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot. Everybody take care. Have a great week. Bye.